Channels are configurations that you create for each radio frequency channel that you wish to monitor. The channel configurations contain the basic information needed to tune to a radio channel frequency, attach one or more protocol-specific decoders, specify an alias list, and set up logging and recording options. Inside the Channel tab, we can create a configuration for each frequency that we want to monitor. There are several different decoders available within sdrtrunk. One of the simplest to set up is narrowband FM radio. This could be a local amateur repeater or a weather station, and that's exactly what we're going to set up right now. We're going to set up a channel for the local weather radio station. So we're going to create a new channel, and we're going to call it weather. And then we're going to go to the source, and in the source we're going to put it at 162,400. We're going to choose our own preferred tuner. We only have one, so there is no option. We'll just go for the one that we have. Our options over here are tuner for multiple frequencies, or the sound card if you've got something recorded. We're just going to go single frequency tuner. Our decoder, like I said, of the many options is narrowband FM, and the bandwidth we're going to set to narrow. This is narrow and the other is wide. It's actually very narrow and narrow. Wide would be a local FM radio station, and that is outside the capabilities of sdrtrunk. We're not going to choose an aux decoder. We're not going to need any logging for now, and we're not going to record anything. Logging and recording allow you to save to text exactly what's going on in a trunked radio station, and then recording allows you to actually record the frequency information or the actual decoded audio stream. We're going to go back and choose narrowband FM with our source at 162,400, and if we start it, we should hear local weather radio.
Afternoon through tonight. Winds, northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts around 35 to 45 miles per hour.
There are several other decoders within sdrtrunk. Some of the ones listed here are AM, that's your AM radio station. My tuner is incapable of those frequencies, so I can't explain that. LTR standard and LTR net are logical trunked radio, which is one of the original trunking systems, and that's mostly used for business. There are a couple here in town. We're not going to explain that one. There's MPT 1327. That one is used mostly in Europe and outside of North America. We're not going to go into that one. Narrowband FM we already went into. Passport is one of the systems used for businesses in my area. And then Phase 25 or Project 25 Phase 1, and we can go into that in a minute. Those are the uses of the channel tab in sdrtrunk.